Now I think, yes, now audible? Okay. So all fine? Okay, very good. So, yes, I'm always fine. Okay. What about you? Because you should be fine all the time for this duration of 1 year. All the time, you must be fine. Not good, not bad. This will not work. You have to be all the time good. Okay. All the time good for this entire 10 months, I can say. Yes. Fine with burning blood. Yes, very good. Okay. Because this is the one thing, because each year, okay, we start the session and then, okay, initially you are all the time energetic. Yes, now this year I will crack and this year I will do this, everything. What is your name, sir? I forgot to tell. Mohit Pandey. Uh, I thought that probably you might know. That's why I didn't said also. Yes, yes, I will be there up to the last. Yes, Mohit Pandey. So what happens basically? Yes, Mr. Cool. People say this thing. You have to be also good as well as cool. दुनिया जानता है. I don't know whether दुनिया जानता है, but whenever you will be successful, when you will be okay in all part of the world, then दुनिया okay, then only दुनिया जानता है. Whatever you are saying, Versa. And yes, I will be there in both the campus. Okay. So what I was saying, that in the starting we have that much energy. That yes, we are going to crack, but slowly this energy level decreases, and what happens later on, at the time when we need maximum amount of energy during the examination, we are actually in the lowest state of our energy. At that time we feel that so one thing is there, that you need to maintain this energy level right now, whatever you are having. Okay, this energy level should not be like this. It can be somewhat increasing, that is will be okay. Yes, I will be we will keep on rotating, we will be in all the batches. Okay, yes. So one thing is there, first thing, that you need to maintain. And one thing, if I ask, you need to actually you need to ask this question to yourself, whether next year you have to be in white coat. Because once answer of this question is yes, then you will be in white coat, there is no doubt. Because this is the burning desire you must have within you. If you don't have this burning desire, ultimately what will happen, that today I will say something, you will be okay. Motivation is not the permanent thing, it is a temporary. It will only last for few days, till you don't have self motivation. And that self motivation you are having, there is the burning desire to get that white coat, that should be there. Any external factor is not going to work for you most of the time, whenever, okay, because in this journey sometimes you will be disappointed. Yes, not only white coats, sir, that too in EMS. Of course that is possible, I'm not saying that. Okay, it is possible in the top colleges. From the long term I have seen, there are a lot of, each year these are the examples, people always surprise us, that they got 180 marks and this year they got 600. Some of these messages I have already posted in the Instagram also. We have posted in the YouTube also. People got 250, they got 600. So of course, very good rank we need. And this year already we have announced that we want 700, more than 700 from the long term. Because 680 we have lot of time. We have, okay. This year also we got 180 out of 180 in physics. If in physics we are getting 180 out of 180, bio 360 out of 360, and that also chemistry also 180, that's the 720. So this year, yes, Ishwar Naidu, yes, 186 to 636. There are so many examples. Okay, Ishwar is there, okay? So many examples I have posted, okay? And still some messages are there, I will post in that one. So you can also do. So don't set that, yes, I have to just crack the NEET. You are going to crack the NEET, this is sure. But your target must be that I have to get the maximum score. And what is the maximum marks in the NEET examination? I will ask these things on the first day, because later on I will not get the time. Only at the last few days I will. What are the maximum marks in NEET? Maximum marks I'm asking. Priyanka is saying 720. Okay, Gayatri is saying 800. Suhas is saying 720. Some people are saying 720, some are saying 800. Listen, for you, maximum score is not 720. Few years back, it was the 720. But now for you, maximum score for you is the 800. And out of 800, 200 questions will be there. You have given the NEET examination, you know this thing. 200 questions will be there. Each 4 marks, total is the 800. Out of 800, how many marks you need? 720. So this should be the mindset that I need first of all this 720 by 720. Later on, some will get 720, okay, based on your hard work also, because ultimately marks are directly proportional to hard work. This year also it will be almost same pattern will be there. More hard work you will do, you will be in the range of 700 to 720, okay, like this range will be there. But your target must be, sometimes when I ask in the question what are the maximum marks you are expecting this year, people have hesitation to tell this thing. This is I think 670 will be enough. Enough is okay for you. First of all, 720 is the target. Maximum is the target for us. We have to prepare for 800. We have to prepare for 800. We are going to prepare for 800. We are not going to prepare for 720. Out of that, we have to leave something. Out of that, we will be getting choice. Okay. Suppose choice, they are saying that, okay, do whatever you want. You should be, okay, you should prepare yourself. Yes, I am going to attempt all 800. Yes, options are there. We have to leave some of the questions. So don't think, this is the mindset you need to change from today onwards. Some of you are having this mindset. A lot of people are asking also, sir, can I get 100 marks in physics? Can I get 80 marks in physics? You are so afraid of physics that you are asking these questions, sir. Can I get 80? Can I get 90 marks in physics? Can I get 100 marks in physics? Those who got very less marks last year in physics, they got very good marks, 170, 180, 160. I am very good at organic and inorganic. You will be excellent in all the things. So don't have, first of all, this thing that, sir. And one more thing, okay, those who are in Zoom, sometimes what happens that later on you get huge success. Yeah. Yesterday, one girl, Patnaik, came, and we were not able to identify. We were having that, yes, we have seen somewhere. So you can switch on your video at least. We can see you. Yes, you can switch on your video, because later on you are going to get the success. You are going to get 720 also. You are going to get 180 also. I know. Okay, I know from the first day itself. Some of you are going to get. Now, who will get this thing? I cannot say right now. This thing also slowly we will get to know. Sir, can I get 180 as I got 98? Everyone can get. I'm not saying, okay. Yes, people got. I'm not saying, okay, people got, and you can also get, and you will get. So first thing, what I'm saying, that you need to change the mindset that we are not here, first of all, for just 550 or 570, 560, okay? Some people think that, yes, this is the cutoff and I will clear this cutoff, then game is over, okay? So you need to change. We are not here for 550. Done this thing? Yes. We are not here for 550, 560, 570. What is our target first of all? From the first day itself, we need to target. Where we will land, that is the different thing. Our target is to, yes, we are going to prepare for You need to tell. We are going to prepare for 800. We are going to prepare for 800. Out of 800, okay, we will leave something. We will leave. There is no problem, okay. But we are going to prepare, because we are not going to leave anything. When we are not going to leave from our side anything, then why you are leaving from your side? Why you are underestimating yourself? Yes. Yes, so first of all, this is the 800. We are going to prepare for 800, where we will land, okay? That will be directly proportional to our hard work. And of course, when you are doing the hard work, and God is always helping those who are doing the hard work, you will be getting very, 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 very good marks, okay? So one thing is the mindset. Mindset is for 800. Second thing I'm going to say for you, that today's whatever we are discussing today, try to finish that thing today only. Don't leave anything that I will do tomorrow or day after tomorrow, like this. If you develop this habit, then this is the biggest problem in achieving your dream. Whatever we have discussed, okay, this is the your main mantra, you can say, okay. Whenever puja is going on, this is like this, okay. So for you, mantra is today's work must be completed by today, okay. This is the one thing you have to, okay, make sure in the entire these 9 to 10 months, today itself I have to do this thing, okay. Other things, okay, whatever we are going to say, that thing you have to just do. Whatever the material, okay, we will give that material, you need to practice, okay. And some additional material, some additional assignment will be given to you, that thing. And no need to take stress all the time in these 9 to 10 months. Don't think what will happen. Everything is going to happen good. This is also truth, okay. But all the time classes are going on, and at that time you are thinking, what will happen now, what will happen in NEET, what will happen in NEET. I am discussing something, and then in your mind this thing is going on, what will happen, what will happen. This is also one problem. So whatever things are told, only you have to focus on that, okay. Result will be good, Bhagwan, okay. Yes, in Gita also it was told, okay, you don't have to, okay, result is going to be very, very good for you. So don't think all the time what will happen, okay. Yes, online will be there. Yes, online will be there, okay. So what thing I said, okay, 3 things. Error note is must. Yes, these things we will tell, okay, with the class also, how to maintain the error notes, okay, whatever, okay. So everything we will tell, okay. So today I said, first of all, 3 things, okay. That one is the self-motivation to get the very, very, very good rank, because external factors are not going to help you. Second thing, we are going to prepare for 800, okay. Don't set target for 600, 550. Lot of people said, sir, can I get only 100 in physics? Of course, physics is a little bit, okay, logical, but it is possible to get, okay. A lot of people are getting the marks, okay. You will also get. So we will prepare. We will not leave anything. Whatever we are discussing in the class, you don't have to leave anything, okay. You can ask 2 times, 3 times, 10 times, whatever time required you can ask. We will discuss. If anything you are not getting in the first attempt, we will discuss that thing 2 times, 3 times, okay, till you are not getting. And we are confident on a that at least after 3-4 attempts we will be successful. Yes, whatever the concept is there, we will be able to explain to you. So now in physics, let's start the physics, okay. So first of all, why people are having problem in physics? Mainly because in physics we have a lot of mathematics things are there. In each chapter we are going to use okay, little bit mathematics. What to do every day after class is notes, and coaching module is enough. Yes, after the class, first of all, during the class, okay, whatever you are having here, that thing should be perfectly clear. You can ask, okay, like we are having here through message, you can ask, okay, whatever the doubts are there, we'll repeat that thing. Then okay, after just class is completed, you need to revise those notes as soon as possible. Okay, like because whatever things we are discuss, okay, we will be discussing here, that will be there in your short term memory, or we can say that there are the three types of memory. You better know, you are the biology student. One is the sensing type memory, one is the short term, one is the long term. So whatever we will discuss here, that will be only in your sensory memory. You need to transfer this one as soon as to your short term. So you have to revise your notes as soon as classes are completed within 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. You have to revise those notes, and then okay, based on that you have material, you will be having some assignment. Okay, that will be told to you in the classes. Okay, so we'll do that thing. Only problem in physics is integration and difference. So what I'm saying that we will be taking full basic mathematics, whatever we need in our full physics. Okay, in physics we will use differentiation, we will use integration. Okay, we'll use trigonometry almost sine theta, cos theta, 45, 60 degree. Lot of chapters are there. We are going to use, starting from the your vector onwards, we are going to use almost everywhere that your trigonometry, these values, trigonometry will use graph also. Almost each chapter will be having some graphs. We cannot mug up that okay, graph will be like this or this. We should be having some little bit understanding of the graphs, little bit only. What I'm saying, basic mathematics. I'm not saying that we need to be master of mathematics, just basic is required. Like mathematics is this much, okay, or this much or this much, just out of that only this much we need to do. And people have fear that we need to know whole mathematics. You don't have to know whole mathematics, okay, just basic part. And whatever the basic parts are there, we are going to discuss. Okay, already I said, okay, basic of differentiation, we say basic of integration, we'll take basics of trigonometry, we'll take graphs, we'll take algebra also. Whatever information is required, we are going to take all the things. Yes. Okay, so now we'll be starting today with the trigonometry, because trigonometry already a log, of course log will be there, so many, whatever the required things are there, we are going to take everything. Okay, and one more thing, okay, we are not treating you as that you are okay in the long term is already you have studied the 12th class. Will we be treating you as you are the 6th class student? 6th class. 6th class means you don't know anything out of that. We will treat you just like that. So never think that okay, we are going to very higher and higher things we will discuss. We'll go with the very basic things too. Okay, you will not notice also, we'll go to the whatever the required level. Okay, so just like the 6th class. Okay, so that much information is required when you were in the 6th class. Sir, what about test? Examination will be there, everything will be there, that thing will be told to you. Okay, so what things are required for a 6th class student? This thing is the requirement, okay, for physics class, because 6th class student know basic things. You know that tables, this is somewhat funny to tell, but yes, but tables up to what you know, tables up to 10, 15, 20, someone is saying 12, someone is saying 15. This is very basic. Even it is quite funny to a lot of people. Okay, up to 20 you have to remember. This is the homework for today. I am giving this homework before the class. I am not writing on the board. Yes, because this is very basic things up to 20. Okay, you need tables. You have to do this one today only. I know you are okay. A lot of people are perfect in that. Learn 25, very good. Okay, because this will help in the faster calculation. You know how much time we will be getting for one question in physics? To solve one question, how much time we will be getting? Can you? 1 minute people are saying. You will not be getting 1 minute. This is the main one more okay thought process you need to change. You will not get 60 seconds, because I'm asking how much time you will get to solve the question. So basically, whenever you will get any question, you will read, Then you will think, so you will read for at least 15 seconds, then you will think for 10 seconds, then which formula we have to apply, what things we have to do. So you will be having just less than 30 seconds, less than 30 to 40 seconds to solve a question. And that one you have to write the solution and you have to do. That's why people are not able to solve all, or they are not able to even read all the questions. This is also one problem. So what happens when our calculations are fast? Few things are fast. Like, you know, the tables, somewhere you have to multiply 17 into 8. Now 17 into 8, some people are writing 17 into 8 and they are doing. This will be consuming a lot of time. So up to 20 minimum requirement is there for the physics. Yes, we need. Okay. Up to 20. You don't have to go more than. I'm just saying that some time management is my main problem. Two things, okay, will not only teach you physics, will teach you speed as well as accuracy also. Two things, okay. Our main aim will be to control over these two things, speed and accuracy. And once you are expert of these two things, we are going to get 180. Yes, we are going to get maximum marks, those who can control these two things. Otherwise, okay, 90, 100, okay, that is not the problem. That one, okay, I will not talk. Maximum marks if you control these two things beautifully. So we'll learn these things also throughout the process. So what I'm saying, up to 20, okay, whenever I will ask, you should be able to do this thing. Each year I say, and later on people are not doing that thing. Second thing, you need to, okay, up to 15, you have to remember a square. Up to 15. Most of the people, I think, remember 10 is square, 11 is square, 12 is square, you know. Okay, I think up to 15 you are comfortable. I'm not saying if you can go up to 20, very good. Okay, so up to 20 you can go with a square. Some of the, okay, in some calculation we will need this thing up to 20. Okay, and we need up to 10 your cubes. Cube means basically your, like 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, okay, 5 cube. This thing also you know. So this is not the one, okay, major thing. Okay, so those who don't know that up to 20 your tables, up to 20 square, and up to 10 your cube, you need to do this thing. Okay, this is the homework for the first class. Now, can we do these things? Yes, I'm marking these things done. Marking that these are done. Okay, because this is the very, very basic. This is the class 5th, class 5th one. Now we'll go to, okay, class 7th. In class 7th your trigonometry is started. I think, yes, class 7th trigonometry is introduced for the first time. Okay, so now we'll be moving to that one. So right here, trigonometry. So in the trigonometry, basically, first of all, we are going to deal with the angles. Okay, and if I ask, okay, that what is going to be basically here, okay, what the angle, just a basic definition you don't have to write, you are in the you know, of course, in long term, just I'm asking what the your angle. Okay, just definition I need. So we can say, okay, anyone here? Yes, just any. Okay, I don't need exact definition. Whatever is there in your mind, you can just say. You should speak out whatever is going on. What is the definition of angle? And definition I'm asking, okay, I'm not saying that, yes, we are going to represent this one with theta. We can represent this one with theta. We can represent with alpha. We can represent with beta. We can, okay, anything. So basically you can say, sir, angle is nothing like this is the one line, okay, and then this line you can rotate by, we can say this is our reference line here, okay. This one is our reference line, and this reference line if you rotate, okay, now you can say, sir, I can rotate clockwise as well as anti-clockwise, okay, any way you are rotating. So suppose if I rotate like this, and this is the initial position, I can say this is the final position. So this amount of rotation, okay, this is the amount of rotation. This amount of rotation we can say as the angle, okay. Amount of rotation we can say as the angle. Basic definition you can see, okay. So you can write somewhere, okay, amount of rotation, okay. In short, we will write these definitions. Okay, already I said we are not going for the mathematics. Just okay, basic. So amount of rotation you can write. Okay, amount of rotation. This is known as your angle. Okay. Now, if I go like this, if I am going like this, can you tell this is the clockwise or anti-clockwise? At least this thing we know. Yes, okay, because everyone knows clock is moving like this, okay. So this is your anti-clockwise, okay. And someone can say, sir, this is my reference line here and I don't want to move, okay. I want to come like this. So if you come like this, then this one we can say is your clockwise, okay. Clear? So this side anti-clockwise, this side your clockwise. Now we can say, sir, we can rotate in either of the direction. We can go your upside also, means you can say ACW. We can come downside also, CW. Now, can we take here some convention here that if I say this one is the positive because we are going upside, and can I say this one is the negative? Can we take some convention like this? Yes or no? If I say this one is the positive, this one is the negative. So people have taken this convention, okay. Somewhere, okay, in some of the questions, if I want to change, okay, means if I take this sense, okay, this sense as positive, then I can say this one is the negative, okay, opposite of that. If I say that this side is positive, then we can say opposite of that we take as negative. Sometimes we say upside positive, then downside is negative. Sometimes we say left is positive, the right is negative, like this, okay. So we can say that anti-clockwise, we take this representation as positive, and here clockwise we can say we can take as negative. So I hope this thing is clear. Somewhere we might use this one. Okay. So can I ask question on based on this thing? Yes. You need to tell me the okay. Anti-clockwise and clockwise. So we can say that anti-clockwise we will take as positive, then this one we will take as negative. Opposite we will take as negative. Okay. What do you say about this one? What will be this angle? This is your 30 degree here. This is the initial position. What will write here? Plus 30 or minus 30? What will write here? In this first one, we can say, sir, this is nothing but the theta equal to, we can write plus 30. And here if I take, this is the initial, this is the final position, and here, this is the 60 degree, then we can say theta equal to, in this question, how much? Yes, theta equal to here. Yes, we can take as your minus 60, okay. Yes, so this is the just clockwise and anti-clockwise. First of all, if required, we can remember that yes, we are going like this, then we can take as positive, and we are going clockwise, then we can take as negative. I hope this first point is clear here. Can we go for next? Yes. Okay. Now, how we find this, okay, angle? Basically, whenever we are rotating like this, okay, this is your reference line. Whenever we will rotate this line, then we can say that, okay, this much distance. So this distance basically is known as, yes. Or we can take here, okay, we can take the circle here, okay, better I can take like this, yes. Like this is we can see, okay, this is your center here, okay. Now, so if I say this, okay, then you know that from center, okay, this is the one important point that you need to remember here, that from center, if I, okay, join any point on this circle, that is known as, that distance is known as, yes, radius, okay. This is known as your radius here, we can see. So this radius I can say as the r, okay. And when you are moving from this point to here, okay, so we can say we are moving, then we can say this was the initial position here, this is the final position. So initial to final position, we can say this distance we can give the name h. Yes, this is your arc. This one everyone knows, that is your radius. And we can say this angle theta. So this angle theta can be defined as, yes, arc length we can say. In short, I will say just arc. So we can say theta is nothing but your arc by radius here we can see. Now arc I will represent with the L I can say, and this is the R. So we can write this becomes L by R, okay. So theta is basically your arc by radius, that is the L by R. Very important formula, lot of time we will use. lot of chapters we are going to use. Okay, this theta equal to arc by radius. So from today onwards, those who don't remember, I know that everyone remembers this thing, that theta is the arc by radius, because already I said that we are right now in the 7th class. Then 7th, then we'll go for the 8th, then 9th, then 11th, like this slowly we'll move. So theta equal to arc by radius. Okay. Now, anyone can tell me what will be the unit of angle? Unit. Yes. Some people are saying here degree, some are saying radian. Okay. So basically when we are using this one, okay, angle we can represent with the degree, like here, okay. Here I have written this one as the 30 degree, okay, 60 degree here, okay. But when we are using this formula, theta equal to arc by radius, then always you have to remember, okay, always theta must be in radian. Are unitless? No. Okay, unit is there. Theta must be in radian. Okay, you are going to remember this thing, that theta should be in radian whenever we are using this formula. Theta can be in degree also, can be in radian also. Okay, but when we are using this one, then you have to use theta equal to arc by radius. I will tell you unit and dimension chapter. In that I will tell, yes, that unit is there, but dimension is not there. This is also very important question. A lot of time they have asked this thing. So we can say unit is there. What are the unit of angle? What are the unit of angle? Yes, what are the unit? Radian. You will remember this one as radian. Okay, we can represent this one in the your degree also. We can represent in the minute also. We can represent in your okay, your seconds also. All these conversions I will tell, but for today class, you have to remember that theta equal to arc by radius, it is going to be your radian. Okay, theta must be in radian. Clear? Ready? Okay. So can I ask next thing? So second point that you learned today, that is the theta equal to arc by radius, and unit of this theta is going to be your radian. We can represent this one in the degree also. We can represent in the your minute also. We can, sometimes I can say angle subtended is 10 minute. Angle subtended is, okay, they can say angle, okay, 20 seconds. So it can be in seconds, it can be in the minutes, it can be in the degree. But when I'm using this theta equal to arc by radius, theta is always in radian. Theta is always in radian. Clear? Okay, this point is clear now. Okay, now if I say that when I will move full circle like this, okay, means this is the initial position right now here, and from this initial position I am moving here, moving like this, okay, coming to initial point again. What will be the total angle? Everyone knows, just I'm asking. Everyone is saying 360 degree. Yes, 360 degree. Okay, total means your 360 degree. Yes, full rotation means this is the 360 degree. Okay, in degree everyone knows, you know, in the degree. But I said that for today class I need everything in the radian. You know, in the, okay, total full rotation, that is the your 360 degree means I can say, have you written this thing? This thing part is over. Okay, so now we can say that okay, like this we can say when full rotation will be there. So theta is going to be your 360 degree. Okay, theta we can say, you know, 360 degree. But okay, when I will use this formula theta equal to arc by radius, and as per, okay, this one arc by radius, if I use in full rotation, how much arc I can take in full rotation? In full rotation means starting from here. Okay, how much length I can take? You can say, sir, you can take full 2 pi r, because circumference is how much? 2 pi r. So we can say this one becomes 2 pi r divided by r, that becomes here how much? 2 pi radian. Now you can say this is the 2 pi radian. I am saying 2 pi radian. You were saying 360 degree. It means both are same. 360 degree is equivalent to 2 pi radian. Yes. Can I say this thing? That 2 pi radian is the 360 degree, or 360 is the 2 pi radian? Going very, very basic things, everyone knows. 2 pi is the 360. So what is the pi? What is the pi? Pi radian. What is the pi radian? We can say pi radian is the your 180 degree. I will tell you one more okay important thing and very basic things about the pi. Lot of time we do mistakes about the pi. So now I can say here in this case, okay, that 2 pi radian, okay, 2 pi radian is basically, we can say how much? 360 degree, okay, equivalent to 360 degree. So we can say pi radian is equivalent to, so pi radian is equivalent to how much? 180 degree, okay. Now, we want conversion of degree and radian. That is the important. We need to remember in a lot of chapters also. Degree to radian and radian degree conversion. Okay. But these are the two units that we will use. Later on, I will tell you some other units also. So degree and radian conversion. Can we do? Are we perfect in this conversion? Degree and radian. Okay. So now I'm going to write in the next slide here. Okay. So we can say, suppose when you are having your, okay, degree is given to you, okay, they have given the degree and you want radian, okay, you want radian. What you will do? We can say from here, okay, pi radian is basically your 180 degree. So we can say in this one, if you say that 1 radian will be equivalent to, so 1 radian will be equivalent to 180 pi degree, or I can say one more thing from here, that 1 degree will be equivalent to, so pi by 180 radian, okay. I hope you agree with this thing. These 2 points that are written here, that pi radian is the 180 degree, and if pi is the 180 degree, then 1 radian will be the 180 by pi, and we can say 180 is the, okay, we can say here like this, 180 degree is the, 180 degree is basically what? Your pi radian. So we can say 1 degree will be how much? Your pi by 180. I hope we are clear with these two things. Again, this is the people's, in these things till the last, people are doing mistakes. In this conversion, you might be surprised today that, okay, why I am saying this thing. I am spending so much time also in this degree and radian conversion. I will spend a lot of time so that later on I don't have to, it comes in SHM, it comes in AC, it comes in wave. Okay, we need this conversion. It will be coming in your rotation also somewhere we will use. In circular motion, little bit questions can be there. This degree radian conversion will be coming whenever there is a rotation. Whenever there is a revolution, it will be coming. Okay. In SHM wave, it is very AC also it comes. Okay, so clear this one? Here, okay. We can say, because I know some people don't ask their doubts. Even if they have the doubts, they don't ask. What they think that if I ask these basic things, then what I will think that we don't know basic things. So that's why already I said, okay, that we are starting from the 6th class onwards. Then we'll be moving to the your slowly to that level. So you can freely ask. So we can say 2 pi radian is the 360 degree, pi radian is the 180 degree. So if pi radian is the 180 degree, then we can say 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi, okay? And same as this, we can say 180 degree is the pi radian. So 1 degree will be the pi by 180, okay? Now, if I say 1 degree is the pi by 180, 1 degree is the pi by 180, so what will be the x degree? If 1 degree is the pi by, then x degree will be how much? X by degree, we can say pi by 180 into how much? X. 1 degree is the pi by 180 radian. So x degree. So we can say x degree will be equal to how much? Pi by 180 into your x radian. Here we can say in this one that 1 radian is 180 by pi. So what will be the x radian? You can say, sir, x radian is going to be, okay, 1 radian is this. So x radian you can say, sir, 180 by pi into x. Now something should be visible to you from this discussion. Okay. Again, this one is clear. One more time, okay, I will tell this thing because this should be very clear. What I am saying here, I am saying that 180 degree is pi radian. Today we can invest whatever time required. There is no problem. Okay. In the starting we don't have. Later on, if you are doing mistakes, that will be the biggest problem. 180 is the pi degree, or I can say pi radian is basically your 180 degree. Okay, now we can say 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Okay, 1 degree is the pi by 180 radian. So if I give you some like x degree, x can be 10 degree, x can be 30 degree, x can be 50 degree, because now you are going to solve the questions I will be asking to you. So we can say x degree will be equal to how much here? We can say, sir, nothing but the pi by 180 into x, means we are going to multiply with pi by 180. We are going to multiply with pi by 180 here. This side I can say that 1 radian, so we can say 1 radian is going to be your 180 divided by how much? Your pi degree. And if I give you some x radian, I'm giving you 2 radian, 3 radian, 5 radian, anything, then we can see here x radian. So x radian you can write here 180 by pi into your x degree, which we are going to multiply with 180 by pi. So ultimately game is that you have to multiply with the 180 by pi, or you have to multiply with pi by 180. You need to decide when you will multiply with the 180 by pi or pi by 180. Clear? So when degree is given, you want radian, degree given, you want radian means pi. So pi should be upside, pi by 180 we can say. Okay, we want radian means pi should be upside, so we can say we are going to multiply with pi by 180. And when you want, they have given the radian is given, and you want degree means what should be upside? 180 must be upside, so we can say 180 divided by pi. I hope this thing is clear now. Okay, so if I give you degree, I want radian, what I will multiply? I want radian. You can say you want radian means pi by 180. Yes, very good. I want a degree. You will say, sir, you want degree 180 by pi. Degree means 180 by pi. So this conversion, okay, now should be there in your mind for entire these 10 months. So I can say that this is the here degree to radian conversion. Aha degree, I want radian. Okay, so now you will tell me here, multiply with what I can multiply here. You can say, sir, you want radian, and if you want radian, then pi should be upside, so multiply with pi by 180 here. And you will say, sir, if you want a degree, then 180 should be upside, so you are going to multiply with 180 by pi. So I hope this thing is clear. Today I will just tell 4 or 5 points, not more than that. Okay, and this will be the daily sequence also. Slowly I will keep on increasing. Like today I'm saying 5 things, next day 6, 7. I hope this part is clear. Very important, very basic things here, that degree and radian, and you should be now ready to answer whatever I'm giving the question, and that answer if not coming within 20 seconds means you didn't got the things. 20 to 30 seconds your answer should be coming. This is the very basic question, but these things will be used later on, and we have to practice this thing, that each answer we need to work on speed also. So ready for this one? Yes. Okay, so if I want radian, I will multiply with pi by 180. If I want degree, then I'm going to multiply with 180 by pi. Questions are here on this next screen here. Suppose, now I will be giving first basic, like if I have given 30 degree, and 30 degree you need to multiply, you need to convert into radian, because these are the conversion that we need to remember. We need to mug up. Like 30 degree is known as this, 45 is known as this. So we can say, sir, if you want here, then what we can do, 30, and we are going to multiply. I want radian. We are going to multiply with pi by 180. So you can say pi by 180. Now, you are expert of this. Already I said you need to remember the tables. So we can say this becomes pi by 6 radian. Pi by 6 radian. Okay. I hope everyone is clear with this thing. Pi by, who is saying pi by 60, Jeevana? Pi by 60? How you got pi by 60? Pi by 6 is coming. Next question to you, Jeevana. You will answer. Suppose I have given here 45 degree. What will be the answer? You can say, sir, we can say 45 into pi by 180 And answer is going to be pi by, yes, I was expecting answer from Jeevana now. Okay, so you can say here in this one again, okay, this how you are going to cut this thing for the table is required. Okay, so you can say, sir, I can use, yes, I will directly 4 times. I'm writing directly here pi by 4 radian. You need to think, okay, how you will be. You can say first with 9, whatever things are coming 9. So here you can write here 5. Then here you can write 20. Okay, you will do that way. I will be writing direct. If I say what value I have to put for pi here, what value I need to put pi? This is the most interesting thing. Lot of people give me wrong answer for this. What value I have to put here? Pi by 6 radian I got, na? Pi by 4 radian. Suppose I need to find the value of this thing. Yes. Lot of people give me wrong answer for this until the last. Means sometimes I get frustration because of this thing. Okay, answer that I'm receiving, most of the people are giving the answers, and I say most of the people are giving wrong answers. So I'm always correct. People are saying 180. Listen, anywhere if you see here, okay, what I have written? Pi degree equivalent. Okay, always I write equivalent. Means pi radian is equivalent to 180 degree. Value of pi is always 3.14. Okay, pi value whenever you have to put, you will put only 3.14. Okay, value of pi 3.14, or we can say 22 by 7. Okay, 22 by 7. Okay, pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7. You will put, okay, whenever you have to put value of pi, then okay, suppose if I say what is the surface area of a sphere? I ask, I think, very tough question. Surface area of a sphere. Yes. Anyone? Remember? You remember? 4 pi. Okay. 4 pi r square. Okay. 4 pi r square. In this 4 pi r square, what will be the value of pi? What will be the value of pi? 22 by 7 or 3.14. Okay, always you have to remember pi is 3.14 or 22 by 7 everywhere. Got this point? Okay, here you need to set this thing here that it is the 3.14 or 22 by 7. Otherwise, later on what will happen? I will give you very simple question. Very basic question will come from the unit dimension. They will say find the surface area of sphere. Okay, incorrect significant figure. Significant figure I will tell you later. Okay, and radius they will give you. Then you have to use this formula 4 pi r square, and what you will do, you will put pi as 100. Means pi as 180. Pi is never 180. Pi is 3.14. And this mistake you are doing also, I think. Pi is 3.14. Okay, 22 by 7. Pi is equivalent, pi radian is equivalent to angle of pi is equal to 180 degree. Okay, pi radian is equivalent to 180 degree, but pi value is 3.14. Clear? So whenever you have to put the value of pi, then you will put always 3.14 or 22 by 7. Okay, if they say what is the equivalent angle of pi radian, then we can say that will be the, okay, that will be your 180. Okay, then we can say 180 degree. Okay, yes, then we can say 180. Pi is 3.14. Okay, someone is asking, sir, how we got pi as 3.14? Of course, there is the so many stories are there in the mathematics, but already I said that we are not going for the mathematics. We will be limited to the very, very basic things. We will be just using those things whatever we need in our physics. I think you got more interest in mathematics. Sometimes what will happen that you will get more interest in mathematics, but we need to control ourselves. We don't have to go beyond a limit. We need to be very, very limited. So we need to be limited for these basic question. So if I say what will be the 60 degree equivalent? 60 degree equivalent, you can say, sir, nothing. 60 into pi by 180. What you are asking here, this question. 6, this is the pi by 3 radian. We know these things. Yes, you know. And from today onwards, you have to mug up these things. 90 into pi by 180. What is the answer here? Tell me fast. Yes, this one. 90 degree. You can say, sir, this is going to be 0, 0 cancelled. This will be the pi by 2 radian. Okay. Next one that we are going to have 120 degree here. 120 degree, I can say 120 into, answer is, yes. Someone give me answer here, 2 pi by 3. Last answer I need. Last answer, okay. Last answer I need here. There is the 180 degrees. So we can say 180 degrees, there's just 180 into pi by 180. You can say, sir, directly I know 180 is the pi, okay. You have said almost 10 times this thing. So yes, 180 is the pi. Now, you might be saying, sir, why we have to mug up these things, okay. Generally, I will say that in physics, you don't have to mug up more things, okay? And you are saying that you have to mug up these values, 30 is this, 45 is this. I can solve within 10 seconds, within 15 seconds. Why I have to mug up these values? I'm not saying mug up. I'm saying that you should feel. When I say 30, you should feel this is the pi by 6. When I say 45, you should feel pi by 4. I say 2 pi by 3, you should feel this is the 120. Because a lot of time in your questions of SHM wave as well as wave optics and AC, I will be saying, okay, I will say 2 pi by 3, and then you are thinking 2 pi by 3 conversion. You should feel 2 pi by 3 means this is the, I will say your pi by 2, you know, this is the 90 degree, okay. So all the time you should feel this thing, this conversion we will not do. If any other angle is coming, we can convert, okay. So these are the angles that we should, okay, feel. 30 degrees is the pi by 6. 45 is the pi by 4. Okay, so after today class, everyone should be able to feel these angles. I will say pi by 3, but for you, pi by 3 is basically 60 degree. Clear? Okay, now I will be asking some more questions. Okay, and let's see who will be, sir, convert radian to, yes, we will convert that one also. Okay, I will come radian to degree also. Don't worry. Okay. First, I'm going for degree to radian. Okay, one step. Okay, daily, slowly we have to go. Okay, then we will be ready for the jump also. You know that when a small kid is there, okay, and to that small kid, if I say that now you have to run today only, you have to run today, you have to win the marathon today, you have to do all the things, possible? So what I will do, okay, because I know, okay, yes, I can make that kid to win the marathon. He can win, there is no problem, but we need to train in the, okay, whatever the best method is there. Okay, first I will, okay, that how to, okay, using the fingers. So slowly I'm just saying, okay, degree to radian, then we'll go like this. Okay. Question is here for you. What do you say about this one? 150 degree, tell me fast. 150 degree, let's see who is able to answer this one. 150 degree, yes, answer is this much time. Yes, answer. Someone answered, but someone was having in the name ... I'm not able to read. 5 pi by 6, you can say, sir, 150 into pi by 180. You can 0, 0 cancel, then we can cancel with, yes, 3. So you can say 5 and 6. So we can say 5 pi by 6 radian. What do you say about this one here? Yes. 15 degree. 15 degree, answer it. Yes, you should be able to relate, because whatever the questions I will ask that question in which we can solve very fast. Yes, it is 5 pi by 60. Yes, so we can say basically here in this case that actually 1 by 10 of this, 1 by 10 of this if you put here, okay, we can say there will be how much here? Pi by 12, or we can solve also, that will be the pi by 180. So that becomes here pi by, okay, 12. Okay, so if I ask one more question here, what do you say about this one? Yes, 40-degree answer each. 40-degree answer each. What will be the answer for 40-degree answer each? Yes, 2 pi by, so we can say here 40 into pi by 180, and now we can say this is going to be 2 pi by 9. Radian, don't forget to put here radian, okay? Otherwise later on you will ask, sir, what is this? This is your radian, okay? 2 pi by 9. So can we go for if I give you any degree here, any value of the degree, can we convert any degree? Okay, I will ask 2 to 3 more conversions, then we'll go for, okay, reverse also, okay? So one more question I'm going, and yes, keep on practicing. Later on we will not give any time for these conversions. Today only we have to learn. Now, if I say what will be, okay, 300 degree, tell me fast, 300 degree. 300 degree. As I turn, your answer should be there. I'm writing it, I take turn 5, yes, 10 pi by 6, 5 pi by 3, 5 pi by 3, yes. Because you can say, sir, why I'm saying, because your 60 degree, 30 degree, because these things we need to remember. Because directly from that 60, you know, 60 is the pi by 3. This is the 5 times of 60. So we can say directly here, yes, 5 times. So we can say this one, 5 times of 60 I can say, or I can solve here. So 300 into pi by 180, okay. Then we can say, so this will be coming as 5 pi by 3. Now, you have to think, yes, that this will be the 6, using 6 I can say 6, and here your 5 pi by 3, okay. Let's see what will be the answer for this next. As I take the turn, answer should be ready, okay. Within 5 seconds I need the answer, and yes, this is the 270 degree answer each. Okay, yes, we got the answer, but somewhat slow. No problem. Slowly we are going to increase this speed. So now we can say 0, 0 cancelled. Using 9 I can say, so this will be the 3 pi by 2. You can say, sir, directly also that this is the 90 degree. 90 degree is the pi by 2, okay. And if 90 is pi by 2, so, okay, if 90 is pi by 2, so we can say 3 times of that. So we can write here 3 pi by 2. Okay? Can I ask few more examples here? But you need to be very quick here. Okay. Okay. So now, what about 240 degree? 240 degree. All these angles I will use in some of the questions. We will be, yes, 240 degree. You can say, sir, 240 degree is basically 60 degree, you know, and this is the 4 times of 60 degree. So 60 is the pi by 3, so this becomes 4 pi by 3. Or you can say 120 degree, and 120 degree is the 2 pi by 3, this is the 2 times of 120. Because everywhere you will not be running for the calculations. So we can write here 240 into pi by 180. We will not do like this all the time. We can say this becomes, so I hope now we can convert your any whatever I am giving the, okay, whatever the value is given to you, we can convert. Yes. Okay. So today you will take some of the, okay, some of the questions from your side and you will practice, okay? Or I will give you, okay, here some of the questions, you will be doing practice for that, okay? Now, I'll be asking reverse of that. Reverse means basically I will be asking here, I will be giving you radian, and then I will be asking here what will be the your degree for that, okay? Suppose pi by 5 radian is given. Pi by 5 radian is equivalent to somewhere pi by 5 radian. Pi by 5. Yes. Pi by 5. I am getting different answers. Yes. So many wrong answers. Pi by 5. I said that when you want a degree, so we can say pi by 5 into 180 by pi. You are going to multiply with 180 by pi. If you see here, okay, in this I said when you want a degree, if you want a degree, then you are going to multiply with 180 by pi. Okay, because whenever you want a degree means 180 must be upside, and when we want radian, then pi must be upside. So this is the only difference that you need to remember, what will be upside. Okay, so we can say that in this question here that is written, we are going to multiply with 180 by pi. So pi cancelled and 180 by 5 is going to be your 36 degree. Okay. Now, what do you say about this one then? Yes, 3 pi by 4 radian. Those angles that I will be using in somewhere, 3 pi by 4 radian. You have to face these angles somewhere. Yes. 135. Yes, very good. So we can say here now in this one 3 pi by 4 into, I can say in this one 180 by pi. So pi cancelled. So now I can say this becomes 135. I'm very sure that now you can answer everything out of this. 7 pi by 3 radian. Then you can say, okay, directly also sometimes you can say, sir, 7 pi by 3, na? Pi by 3 already you said 60 degree. So we can say 7 into 60. That becomes how much? Your 420. So I hope you will do both types of conversion. You are perfect today. Yes. In both conversion, can we do? Because now I will ask one question and you will do mistake. Whenever you will be having just today, now I got everything, I can solve any question out of this concept. Then I will give you the question and then you will be doing mistake in that. So ready? Sure. 100%. You will do correct. Confident. When you are confident, of course, answer will be, because I cannot ask on this basic things. Okay, I cannot ask any this much big question. Let's see how many of you will be correct. I will be giving you exactly 30 seconds, not 30 seconds. Today I can give you around 50-second time. Okay. Yes. So this is the question here for you. Okay. And next slide, I'm writing the question. They have given, okay, suppose 1 radian you need to convert, or I can say 2 radian. Better I can write 5 radian. Okay, calculation will be somewhat less. You can do approximation. Give me the answer in approximation. Okay, in physics I will tell you approximation will be there. Okay, how much approximation we have to take? 5 radian. Just I need approximated answer. I am giving you exactly 60 seconds. Yes. Different answers are coming. Now, 280 degree around. Let's see, okay, how many, let's see whether process is correct or not, because calculation we can do, okay. Process must be correct, okay, because in these previous questions, just I told about the process. So we can say 5 radians. So we, how to convert into your degree? So we are going to multiply with 180 by pi, okay. And 5 into 180 by pi, then we can say this is going to be 900 by pi. Lot of people got 900 by pi, I think. Yes. What value of pi I have to put? Again, question comes. What value of pi I have to put here? Because what happens that people do this conversion again, they put here pi as 180. Some people put here pi as 180 and 900 by 180. Again, they get the answer as 5. Pi is 3.14. Okay. Yes, very good. So you can say here 900 divided by, we can say 3.14. Okay. And 3.14, I think we can solve. Yes. Roughly you can take 3. There is no problem. Okay. If I convert 1 radian, no? 1 radian. So we can say 1 radian will be the 1 into 180 by pi. And then we can say 180 divided by 3.14. Can you tell me the rough value of this one? Anyone? It is coming, someone calculated using calculator. Yes, it will be around 57.3 something. Can you confirm? Using calculator? 57 point, roughly we can say around 57.3 degree. Okay, this will be the value. 57.3 something. Okay, yes. No problem. 57.3 is okay. Because pi is also not 3.14. It will keep on going. Okay. So 57.3. You can remember only 57 also. There is no problem. Okay. So you can say 57. Okay. So you need to remember this thing also, that 1 radian. Okay, is roughly 57 or around 60. Okay. Roughly 57 or around 60. Clear? Roughly 57. When you are not able to remember, we can say, okay, we can solve also 180 by pi, pi around 3, so around 60, okay? But 57 will be, okay, better to remember. Can I ask one more question now? Yes. Sir, that degree in seconds and minutes. Yes, that I am going to now start, okay? Yes, I will be starting in minutes as well as seconds also. But can we do today or we will do later on? Can I tell today only? Minute and second also? What do you say? That is very basic things. I will say 1 degree. In 1 degree, how many minutes? 1 degree, how many minutes? No, we'll finish now. 1 degree, how many minutes? 60. 1 degree, 60 minutes. Remembered? Everyone knows? 1 degree, 60 minutes. Remembered? And if I ask anyone, if I ask even a small kid also, that 1 minute, how many seconds? 1 minute, how many seconds? Everyone knows that 1 minute, how many seconds are there? 60 seconds are there. So this is also over. So we did all the conversions. So we know angle can be represented in the degree also. Can be represented in your minute, can be in your seconds. When we are using arc by radius, then we have to take this unit compulsory, radian, okay? And radian and degree conversion already we got today. This is the most important thing in the trigonometry. If you got this one, so I'll be writing this one here, okay? That 1 degree, if I write, then we can write 60 minute, okay? And minute we will represent with this single line, okay? So this single line when we, okay? 60 minute. And then we can say 1 minute, we will write this one as the 60 seconds, and I can put here. So these are the 2 more things we need to keep, okay? So can I ask questions? Degree, radian, seconds, minute, any question now? Okay, so one question I'm going to give you, and let's see how many people will be correct in that question. That question is very, very important question that will be coming. They will ask the question in the next class that I will start, that angle subtended by moon, angle subtended by distant star, distant galaxy, a tower, angle subtended by a tower at your eyes. Paradox method we can say. I will use these things in our telescope in optics. I will use this. Okay, means these type of questions. So we can say that whenever that any distant object will be there, then angle will be very small. That will be basically in the minute or second. Okay. Yes, NCRT example is that there. Okay. But first I will take very basic, simple question. Okay. So I am giving here, convert 5 minute into radian. Okay, just give me rough answer. I don't need exact answer, just approximated answer I need. So you can say, sir, first 5 minute is there now. So 5 minute I can write like this also. 5 into 1 by 60 degree, can I say? Huh? This is okay? Huh? Because you can say, sir, 60 minute equal to, okay, 1 degree here. So 1 minute, so we can say 1 minute will be equal to how much? 1 by 60 degree. So here, okay, you can say minute. This minute I have replaced with the 1 by 60. I hope you are clear with this thing. 60 minute. This is a very basic conversion. Very, 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 very basic. Okay. Just today we moved from class 6 to class 7th. Now moving to class 8th, just 1 or 2 class we have moved today. Still we have not reached the 9th and 10th class, only in the 8th class. 60 minute to, okay, we can say 1 degree, 60 minutes, so 1 minute will be 1 by 60. So in this 1 minute, okay, here, 5 minutes, minute I have just, okay, placed 1 by 60, that becomes, we can write, okay, here, 1 by 12, if you cancel, so 1 by 12 degree. And degree I have told how, okay, you can always replace 1 by 12, and degree if you want, then we can multiply with pi by 180. This is going to be answer. Yes? Over. Now you can solve, okay, whenever required. We will not multiply, okay, no need to multiply, okay. When we'll solve the question, and these values will be cancelled, okay. No need to multiply. Clear? This is your radian. So you will tell me just like in this format some questions, okay. So ready? Can I ask one more question? Okay. People are ready. Let's see. So question is here. They will say a tower, okay, these questions will write in the next class, but just I'm saying tower subtends angle of 480 seconds. 480 seconds. This angle is given, 480 seconds. Just you need to tell me the rough value, okay, pi divided by, okay. So you can say, sir, 480, or I will solve because time is almost over. So 480 seconds, you can say, sir, 480, 1 second. 1 second is how much? 1 by 60 minute. Okay. Then you can say that this is, sir, 8 minute around. Okay. We'll go stepwise. We don't have to do anywhere mistake. First, we will work on the accuracy, then we'll work on speed. Okay. Then we can say 8 and minute. This 1 minute is basically 1 by 60 degree. So we can say this is the 8 by 60 degree here. And 8 by 60 degree if you want, you can solve using 4. So we can say 2, here your 15. So 2 by 15 degree. And 2 by 15 degree we can write here 2 by 15 into how much? Pi by 180. So we can say that becomes pi divided by 15 into 90. Yes? No need to do further. Okay? Because these questions we will do and a lot of values will be cancelled. I hope today's conversion, degree, radian, minute, seconds, very basic, very less things we have done today, because this was the first class. So I hope this is clear. Now you have to do the practice of these things, okay? Because this one is going to be used in our parallax method, not the paradox we were saying. Parallax method is there sometimes, okay? Parallax method. So this, or we can say simple, I will use these things in our optics chapter, okay? I will use a small angle approximations, okay? How to use this. So I'm giving some of the homework. Ready? You will do this? Just, okay. Homework means right now you can finish. Yes, 3-4 questions I'm writing here, okay? This is number 1 here in the, okay. (50° to radian). Then so I have given only these, okay, 4 questions, you can say 5 questions, not much, just for the practice. I hope you will get the, okay, answer for these, okay? And the next class will go with, okay, some more things, small angle approximations and your sine, cos and ASTC rule. Listen, ASTC rule, you know, ASTC rule, everyone knows, all silver teacups, something like this. 3 minutes to radian. This is the last question. 3 minutes to radian. Okay. If you revise, will be good, because in next class we'll discuss that one. Okay. So you can. Offline classes are already there. Offline classes has started. Offline classes already started. Offline will be also there. Online will be there. Okay. So next class you will revise those things. Then, okay, trigonometry we will, okay, whatever the basic things required in the trigonometry will do. Okay. Okay. Bye. Okay. I will tell. I'm just saying that if you know, you can revise. Otherwise, already I said, just we moved 6th class to 7th class and 8th class. In 8th class, ASTC is there, so we'll do that like, okay. Then slowly we'll move. No need to worry. Okay. Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Okay, and yes, do revise all these things. Okay, yes. Okay, bye. Bye.